Amplification. And the entities engaged in, I'm taking pictures of what has been the ongoing molestation with impulsive light activity. That's impulsive light activity. The shadow is projected on the wall. I'm underneath light. Their headlights, all right, are not causing that vacillating light. They're stalking with the Ontario Police. This is gang violence and furtherance of murder. That's Mike LORENZ. That's that same agency that's engaged in what is ongoing surveillance with the stalkers of the Ontario International Airport, engaging what is gang violence with the people of the state, demons that are stalking together. This is the Ontario Police that's engaged in what is stalking using helicopters in order to engage in what is domestic terrorism, a threat to my life and safety, conspiring my murder with the demon-possessed people of the state who are equally engaged in that criminal conspiracy. German is gang stalking at the Chevron. He's driving the white Corolla. I got that license plate already. The gang stalking employee at Arco. All the demons engaging in transactions with those businesses. Starbucks is gang stalking. All the demons engaged in transactions with that business. These demons are gang stalking at 602A North Euclid Avenue, stalking with light. I captured this in images. I got license plates over here. They're gang stalking. Crab, bucket, crawfish, El Pescado. The entities engaged in what is surveillance with all of these venues. Bethel congregation, while the entity is maintaining criminal presence in the past. Okay, this is P.O.C. This is the entity that's in conspiracy to commit murder together, while they are engaging in what is psychopathic pacing. This is group conduct. This is what the entity is doing with planes. It's group conduct. This is what the entity is doing with helicopters. This is mental illness as well. The Ontario Police are going to be both subject to mental examinations and federal prison. So are the people of the state, with whom they are gang stalking in furtherance of murder, and they're facilitating that. They're facilitating that gang violence. Mike LORENZ is going to be prosecuted. That's impossible light activity. While they're in those are demons, and that's ongoing criminal violence. While they are conspiring your murder, that's the purpose of monitoring you, that impossible light activity. That's directly in concert with the demons that are stalking by helicopter. This is P.O.C. Mike LORENZ and that agency remains engaged in what is targeting me in furtherance of murder, and Mike LORENZ is going to be prosecuted for that. This is P.O.C. He's going to be prosecuted for the gang stalking by the Ontario International Airport. He's going to be prosecuted for the gang stalking by the people of the state. And there's no train activity that's going to drown out this ongoing evidence that's going in federal court. That's amplified audible activity while those demons are stalking with impossible light. This is 537 North Euclid Avenue, where the fake sun rises, documenting these demons stalking with impossible light during the day under the fake sun as well. This is all the evidence that already surrounds while that agency is stalking me specifically using helicopters while they're keeping the evidence under surveillance. That's that entity, that agency, Mike LORENZ, fully invested in murder, for which he's going to be prosecuted. He's going to prison. This is P.O.C. It's 6:49 p.m.